Hey, hello guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is Taco A Valve. So many of you guys are been commenting about the Vr6 noise. So today we're gonna try to figure out. We got the chains, the whole kit, and we also got the clutch. So we're gonna try to fix that noise. Hopefully, it's in between those two parts, clutch and chains. If no, I mean, we're gonna keep digging, see what is it. But here it is, and we got him in jack stand ready. So we're gonna have to start to tear it up. But I'm gonna be checking. There was one of you guys commented about the tensioner, the chain tensioner, and I had that one back before. Yeah, so I forgot about that one. Hopefully, the kit came with that tensioner. So stay tuned. We will see if we can. I'm gonna show you the tensioner that this guy was talking about. That he's talking about is this one right here. That bolt is right behind the head, and this one it tensions the timing chain. So ooh, look, we got a coolant leak in there. But we're gonna see what can discover here in this car. So hopefully that's what it was. So we're gonna do the clutch and the timing change today. Up to this point, and we did check the tensioner. The tensioner looked really good because that was the first thing we changed because we thought it was that, but it didn't change the noise. So check this out, guys. I don't know if this is supposed to be like that, but look at this. Is this an upgrade or something? Because it looks like it's supposed to be like that. But why? It makes, I don't know, it makes so much noise right here. This is metal, guys. It looks like somebody like did this or what? This is normal. This part right here is metal, so it looks like it's an upgrade. This is the one that came on the kit. I don't know. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Because this is metal. It looks like somebody update this. This part right here, it's metal. So maybe that was the one that it was making noise and make it sound like it was the timing change, Because you can see the groups right here. But it's metal, so it looks like somebody, I don't know, what can I say? Upgrade this part? I never seen something like this. Has like a number in there. So let me know in the comments, what do you think, guys? Because I think I always seen it this type of tensioners, But since we're gonna be here, we're going to change the chains and everything. This one right here also looks cracked right here. There's a piece in there missing. So we're gonna have fun, guys, with this thing. Hopefully everything goes good. There's another hydraulic tensioner down here, but it looks fine. This one right here, I don't know, but definitely needs to be changed. So stay tuned, guys. This is where we at right now. We removed the transmission. She's seen better days. Look at the throwout bearing. So stay tuned. Let's see what's going on. So we are at this point, guys. We did change all those guys, you know, for new chains and all that stuff. And I'm not a Vr6 guy, but what I did, I just followed the you know, the marks for the timing. You gotta like line those picks, those two, with this mark on the cap for the crankshaft. There's another one on the other side, and there's that mark right there, and it's gotta be followed by the other mark. I don't know if you're gonna see. There's two marks right here, one on the bottom, that one right here, and one on the top. This has got to be in the center, and this notch has got to be pointing up. It's got two notch, one on the bottom, one on the top. And right here, there's two notch right there. You see one. What an ugly shot, but there you go. I don't know why it's doing that. And then we just use the plates for the back, and that's how we do. Did it. And right now we're about to put those covers back in there. So hopefully everything goes good. So stay tuned. Let's see what's going on with this thing. Pues aquí estamos. Here we are. We got the flywheel, lightweight flywheel. This is light. No pesa nada. Y ya pusimos las dos tapas allá con las cadenas y las guías. And everything looks good. We put the two covers and the guys with the chains and everything. We just torque this thing. We give it some ooga-doogas. So I thought I can, you know, show you guys this nice flywheel. It's light. I didn't even feel it when I was putting it in here. So we're gonna try to put the clutch disc and the pressure plate. So stay tuned. Okay, so we just put that clutch in there. I was just able to pull this thing out. Very handy tool, so it kind of like center the clutch disc in there. So now we can go ahead and start to try to put the transmission in there. I don't think it will be easier, but you know, we'll see. I like to put a little bit of grease in on the shaft, so it kind of like slides inside better. Stay tuned. So guys, this is as far as we got today. We put the transmission, the timing chains and gears and everything, and we bolt the engine to the motor mounts and everything. That motor mount is kind of hard to bolt, but it was fine. So right now, that's where the engine is sitting. So tomorrow, I will have a little bit more time and try to finish tomorrow. So for you, it will be this week because I can just, you know, add the other video for the next day. But for me, guys, it will be 2 days. After a month or two, I don't remember now. It's been a long time. I had to pull the alternator because I changed the clutch, I changed the timing gears, the chains, all that stuff, you know. The car is still making the noise. So I came here and I was like, maybe the compressor, the AC compressor, but it doesn't make any noise. Then I was like, maybe the water pump, but it's not making any noise. And then I spin this thing and it started making all kinds of noise. And I was like, no way. I don't know if you guys hear it, but hold on. Let me see if I can put them connected to here. I don't know how good the sound will be, but that alternator is no good. So it's new. It's new. I mean, remanufactured or whatever. So now I'm gonna be hunting this into the auto part, and hopefully that was it. So I didn't find this part, but I was able to JB weld it, put it together, and I bought this piece and this one because these two were broken. So hopefully now this thing is good to go. I also fixed the wind visor or tail, whatever you guys want to call it. This was broken, so I install it in there. Hopefully it's good. These are not built or meant to be to push the car when you broke down. You don't push it from here. You push it from here, from the bumper, everywhere else besides this. You don't push it from here, because that's why these tails are, you know, broken. So now I'm gonna be on my way to getting this alternator. But man, oh man, hopefully the noise, you guys can catch the noise and hear this thing. I don't know. But stay tuned. So I think well, the change were not good anyways, because the guys were gone, disappeared, plastic, you know. You saw the video. Oh, I mean, you watched my previous clip.
Well, guys,
okay, so stay tuned.
It looks like we got the back part already here, so I'm gonna try to put them in and see if this was the problem, because it was making a lot of noise, and I thought it was the timing change, and a lot of people, you know, were mentioning this too. So hopefully no more noise.
I opened
so stay tuned.
The box, you know, and this was a $300 alternator, and it's supposed to be original Bosch. So check this out. That is the part number. But here's the thing, it makes noise. It's making like a little, and it doesn't have the pulley, so I needed to pull the other pulley off from the old one and put them in here. So I'd spin it, and it makes a little bit of noise. So hopefully this doesn't. So what I did, I just jack the car up and then lift the engine a little bit, and I'm gonna try to put them the same way I pull them out. So bear with me. Hopefully this pulley is not a problem. This is the water pump. So guys, it's nighttime. Let me see. Oh wow, 6:30. Oh no, 8:45, and I just finished this. I had a problem with the starter. Something happened to the signal that came from the starter and didn't want to start, and I didn't know why. And it was the alarm. The alarm quit working, and it was not sending signal to the starter, so I had to bypass the alarm, the computer alarm or the ECU alarm, whatever. But here it is, guys, it's running, and apparently it was the alternator, the whole thing. But now it has a timing change, you know, neo guys, and clutch, so good to go. MR3 seen better days. Let me see if I can rev it up for you guys a little bit.
So it's running good. So after all this time, you know, this finally is finished. I think I got the car for like 2 months. I was waiting for parts and all that stuff, but that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It took me a little while to finish it, but there it is. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for the next one.